Okay, this is my Clipchamp editing for dummies super fast version, okay? You got your clips in, you put them in the timeline, and the playhead controls where you are in your video, and the zoom in and zoom out gives you the ability to be more accurate with your edits, okay? To split a clip and cut a part out, you hit the split, and you'll see that now there's a green selection around two sides. I can make another split. Okay. You can click on a clip. Let's say you just want to get rid of that middle part. You hit the delete key or the trash can key. I like using the keyboard with one hand and my mouse with the other. So there's one basic concept that most people always want to be able to do. Okay. Cut a clip. Number two, how to get rid of clips. You just click on them and hit delete. And then to drag clips in, I'm going to drag in this clip, and I want to show you one thing that a lot of people want to know. How do I get rid of a problem? Let's listen. I'm going to show you a little trick in Stop Motion Animator. It's okay. So if you have a long video and you have in there a lot, deleting that is not a hard thing to do in Clipchamp. So let's find the It's okay, it's happening right about here. I'm going to zoom in, zoom. I'm going to zoom in even more. I'm going to rewind and hit play. It's I can even see the time, 4.49. It's a little before. Yep, 4.38, 4.34. I'm going to keep going back, 412. Okay, it's a little after 412, 417, 421. I'm going to go to 420. I think you can even type the number. Can you type the number in? No. So I'm going to get it right about there, and I'm going to split. Okay, and I'm going to go listen to the end of the about where it ended. Actually, it kind of I hit spacebar and it auto split it right there. So that's cool. Or you can just be sure you can hit the split key again. And just click on that clip. You'll see it's green. This part's not green because those are separate. Click on it, hit delete. Boom. Is gone. Let's listen. It's a Chrome magics. So there you go. Those are the editing basics. There's a lot of other features. I have a much longer video. I'll put a link, I don't know, above me, below me, on the screen somewhere. I'll pause and wait for it. It's probably somewhere now. If it's not, look for Clipchamp editing full version or long version. Anyway, hopefully it appears. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below.